Eric Mother, Mother.com. Let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies here. And I think they are offering an opportunity to see how things trade in the short term. So let's take a look here, and we are looking at the markets for trading, live trading right now, February 7th, 2018. And that's the time right there, Central Time. We can see good movement for the day as they are bouncing off the lows. And let's take a look at the hourly chart. I want to show you two things in terms of the RSI and the MACD. See whether it is predicting a pullback from current levels. I'm going to keep this one very short and simple. And we can always go back and check to see what this meant over time. But right now what I'm looking at is we see a break here. And this is for Bitcoin. The break there in the RSI corresponds with the levels right there. If we take that information and draw our straight line, it should be something like that. You can see that we've used this line, or the market has used this line for resistance here, for those highs. And here we are. If we drop back below this line, that's going to be short-term indication of a pullback possibility. And if we go further out, when Bitcoin is trading at 13,000 here, there's another break that we can actually use. And that's the one I actually wanted to use. So my mistake there. So we come off the highs here. Take that information, draw our uniformity resistance line. Should look like that. That's what I was aiming for. We can see resistance here off those highs. And now here looks like double top. So we can say that as long as we are trading below that blue line, chances are we start seeing the cryptocurrencies pulling back. And here we can see at the lows, Bitcoin was trading with a low of 6,000. And we can see the high for the day is at about 8,500. Right now trading at 8,100. Let's take a look at the chart for Ethereum on the hourly also. We can see here there was a break on the RSI. A break right there brings us off the highs there. And so we can see that over the last couple of hours, we've come back, we've hit this line actually 3 times, and we are pointing down. That suggests that we can start expecting a pullback from current levels based on that uniformity resistance. We'll see how it goes, but that's how I would look at this position for potential pullback after nice recovery of recent lows. This is Eric Muad with Mother.com. Let me leave you here with the live trading for the cryptos. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETHUSD. Woo!